Ain't no drama, we just tryna have a good time. Me and my girls stepping out in the all black. Louboutin on my feet, don't know how to act. Pulling up to the scene with a top back. Money ain't even a thing, cause we got that. No drama, no drama. Leave it at home for your crazy baby mama.
Hey y'all, the first thing you do when you go to Shopify.com is to, of course, create an account, and then it'll bring you to this page. The first thing you want to do is add all of your products to Shopify. So you click the products tab on the left hand side and click add products. They're going to ask you for the title of your product. Give them a description of your product. Tell them, what the product is all about. The description can be, as short, as long as you want it to be. You want to, make sure you upload a picture so they can see the t-shirt, the lip gloss, or whatever the case may be. And then you want to put in the price right here. And then you're going to put in how much inventory you have. So when it sells out, you don't, sell more than what you already have. And then go down, you put the weight in there so it helps the shipping to be automatically calculated at checkout, or at least that's how I have it set up. And then you can also have variants. So if you have like different color t-shirts for like the same design, you can put blue, red, green, black, and then the customer will have the option to choose between those different colors under that one product. So like you have 10 blue shirts for one design, 10 red shirts for one design, and then they can pick from that. And then if you have like a lot of t-shirts, maybe a lot of jogging pants, or a lot of lip glosses, then you can group them together, and it's easier for the customers to find. So if they're looking for particularly just lip gloss, they can click the lip gloss collection. So, for example, I've grouped all my lip gloss together under the category lip gloss, and you can find that on the website. So if you just want to look for lip gloss, boom, I got you. Just click the tab that says lip gloss. And then I've grouped my skincare together, as well as my makeup and my lashes, just so it's easier for people who are looking for a particular category of items. Okay, y'all, so since we have the products added to Shopify.com, the next thing to do is, of course, create the actual website itself and, customize it. So on the left-hand side, you see online store. You want to click that, and it's automatically going to take you to all the themes. So you can scroll down to the free themes, and you can, explore those and see which one best suits you, best suits your business, or whichever one you think looks the best for you. And then you can just click that. Essentially you're just using a template and just edit in the stuff that's already there and put in your products, put in, whatever you want to be on your website. So I'm just scrolling, showing you the free themes that they have. And I just clicked a random theme just for the purpose of this video. Okay, so when you add a theme to your library, it's gonna literally add it to the library. So like right now, it's in the process of adding it. It's loading. So once it's added, you can click the customize button, and it's gonna bring you to a website where that's eventually gonna be yours. But first, you gotta add your own pictures, add your own products, and whatever else you want. So right here, boom, I'm clicking customize, and here's the website. So you have a lot of stuff that you can edit, but the first thing we're going to do is edit the header. So when you click header, you have the option to add your logo picture, or you can leave it like how I have it and just have your business name. So whichever one you think looks cute to you, you can do it that way. Everything is up to you. And then you can click this box that says show announcements. So if you have like a deal going on, like 50% off for Black Friday, or when you spend $50, you get free shipping, whatever the case may be, that's what you want to do right here. And then we'll get to the changing of the colors and changing of the fonts in a second. So you have the option to edit your menu, meaning you have the option of editing what your customers have access to. So like I was telling you earlier, if my customers want to click lip gloss, lashes, skincare, that's all in the, the main menu area. Like when you go to any website, Fashion Over, whatever, they have, dresses, t-shirts, whatever the case may be. So before you can add a menu item, you have to create it under the pages section first. Because when you want to add a menu item, they're going to ask for like a link to a page. So you add a page first. So right here, I'm adding a page. For example, since I do skincare, I'm going to make this page be before and after pictures, and then I'm going to add pictures of people's skin before and after they use my skincare product. And then I will go back to my menu section, title it the same way, before and after pictures, and when they tell me to insert a link, I'm going to insert the link to the page that I just created. And then once I do that, this is going to show up on the menu section of my website. And you can do this for whatever categories you want. So, like I was saying earlier, if you shop on fashionova.com, they got dresses, white dresses, short dresses, maxi dresses. They have lingerie. They have whatever the case may be. All of that is in their menu section. So right here, I'm just checking that the pages was created, and then I'll go back to navigation under online store, add my menu item, click pages, click before and after pictures. And then once I go back to my website, it's going to be under the menu section. And there it is, before and after pictures. So now that the header part of my home section is finished, I can go ahead and edit this slideshow section of my home page. So basically, that's like an introduction to your website. So when somebody clicks your website, they can go through this slideshow to basically get a summary of what you sell. So on my slideshow, I might have my models wearing my lip gloss, pictures of the lip gloss itself, or pictures of the lip gloss on the lips. Whatever the case may be, is going to give the customers an overview of what I sell. And then you literally have the option to, just edit it however you want. Do you want the slides to change every 3 seconds, every 5 seconds, every 10 seconds? Do you want them to rotate on their own, or do you want to have to click the arrows? It's totally up to you. So now that this last show is out the way, you have the option to add all of the collection that you created to your homepage. So right there, as soon as somebody opens your website, they have the option to view all of your lip glosses, to view all of your skincare products, to view all of your lashes, whatever the case may be. It'll be right there on the homepage for your customers to observe. So right now I'm just clicking, select the collection, and these collections were made earlier in the video as soon as we added the products to the website. So now you have your header, you have your slideshow, and you have, excuse me. So you have your header. Dang, y'all. So, so you have your header, your slideshow, and your collection list. And if there's, other things on the homepage that you don't want to be there, you can just click the eyeball and it's going to hide it. So next here comes changing the colors and the font. So at the bottom it said theme settings. So you have the option to change the background of the header to whatever color you want. You can change that red right there. That's the background of that announcement. You can change that. And then literally at this point, you're just playing around with all of the tools that they have. So, you just want to click all of the, you just want to click on everything that they have to offer and just play around with it. Change the colors, see what it looks like. Change the font, see what it looks like. And then eventually you're going to find, a font that complements, your brand, complements you. And then as far as colors, I'm guessing, of course, it would, complement your brand. So if your brand is pink, white, and gray, then those would be the colors you would pick for the background and all of that. And then right here, you have the option to add links to your social media pages. And then Shopify will add them at the bottom of the website. And your customers can go ahead and click those links. And they'll have easy access to your social media pages. And then at this point, your home page is basically done. So you want to click the menu right here, and then you can edit the separate sections of your menu on their own. So if you want to click the lip gloss section and, change the way it looks when customers go ahead and click on that, then you can do that. But mostly you would just, keep it how it is. Your products are automatically added to the website as soon as you create the product on Shopify. And then right here, you have the option to add product recommendations. So when a customer clicks a product, there's going to be products that you recommended right below that product. And then right here, I'm just showing you guys how you would publish it once you're done. So go back to, the Shopify store, not the Shopify store, but the Shopify website. Go back to themes. And when you click action, it's going to say publish. This is what you do when you're done editing you are satisfied with the way everything looks. And then once you click publish, your website is live, and then your customers are able to shop from it. So right here, I'm just showing you guys what it looks like when you click a product and a customer is ready to check out. You have your description that you created when you first created the product, and then your customer would just click, add to cart or buy it now. And then boom, they go to the cart, put in their information, and then boom, you get the cha-ching, and boom, you have an order. So I think that is it for this video. I'm just showing y'all around the website and how it looks when you click certain things. But if this video was very, very helpful for you, I want you to click that subscribe button and click that notification bell for the next video. Thank you.